Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I just wanted to come on and share a little crochet project with you. I had done this a while back, but I didn't finish it completely. So here it is, my little piggy. She is the sweetest little piggy ever. And previously when I first started this project, her bow was blue. I didn't like it, so I changed it up and I made it the same color as her skirt. I also went in and attached the legs to the body so that it wasn't flopping everywhere. Now, mind you, this is the first time I've made this project, so it's new. It's the first time, so there's going to be some errors like, you know, the placement. It looks like she's looking off to the side is what it is. It's not directly straightforward. So her head is a little looking to the left side of her. Also, I attached her arms to her face so that it was supposed to be like holding her head up, but she's just a little table sitter and she lays on her belly. She's got her little ballerina skirt and her little headband. I did make some adjustments to this pattern. It's a pattern from a book, and I'll try to leave a photo here on the screen to show you what book I was using. I picked this book up, I think it was Hobby Lobby. It might be Michael's. But yeah, so I made her a bow and it looked like it cinched her head and behind her, you know, her ears. Ugh, I can't talk. Previously, the headband was going under her neck and I didn't like that. So I made it shorter and then I cinched it in the back. And then this is what we've got. Cute little bow. And I'm going to be sending this off. This took me a while, guys. I had the parts for it. It took me a while to assemble it. And then, you know, it took me months to put the finishing touches on her. But yeah, she's going to go off to her happy owner. She doesn't know she's getting this. But how can you not love this little piggy face? Oh, so cute. Okay, so yeah, that is it. I'll try to leave the link to the pattern, the book that I found the pattern in. It's not, I don't know. I don't remember. I also finished her tail. So it used to be loose. And then I decided I don't like that because it looks too, you know, wild. So I put a few stitches in so it's attached to her bum and then her little pointy curly Q. So it looks like that. Oh, so cute. But yeah. That is it. I just wanted to come on quickly and share this beautiful little piggy. And she's ready to go off to the market with her new owner. So, yep. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I know it was a really quick video, but I really just wanted to share it here on my YouTube channel. I think I have posted some photos on Instagram previously, and I'll share some more photos again because now she's completely finished. And she's going to go off to her new home. So thank you all for watching. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button. Join our crafty family. And while you're there, hit the notification bell. And that'll let you know when I load a new video like this or when I go live here on my channel. So thank you. Thank you again for coming. And if you liked it, thumbs up this video. Now I'm just repeating myself. So, okay, guys. Bye. See you on the next one.